Display type. Display resolution. Screen size. Refresh rate. Pixel density. Color gamut. Bit depth. Display brightness. Contrast ratio. Video processor. HDR format. Next, connectivity. HDMI ports. USB ports. Wi-Fi version. Bluetooth version. TV tuners. Ethernet. Next, audio. Audio output. Speaker brand. Dolby support. Detach X and Detach HD. AI audio. Audio enhancement. Next, design and build quality. Bezel design. Build type. Stand type. Back panel. Installation. Next, features. Operating system. App stroke time. AI picture features. Voice control. AI contrast optimization. Special modes. Multi-view and screen sharing. System performance. Next, gaming features. Native refresh rate. Game accelerator. Sync technology. Variable refresh rate support. Input lag. HDMI 2.1 bandwidth. Gaming dashboard. Dolby Vision gaming. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.